Now that you've installed our free Shopify app, let's walk through how you can customize your online store for maximum success. If you're just joining us, make sure to watch part 1 first to learn more about the Frame It Easy app basics, like creating and pricing frame prints for your storefront. Let's get started on customizing your store. First, choose the layout of your site. For Shopify users who don't have an existing storefront, this is where you choose the theme and layout of your site. Edit your current storefront theme or choose one that suits your aesthetic. Click on sections of your storefront to edit them and refine storefront functionality and appearance. Now, create a unique domain. Secure the perfect domain name for your store that customers can trust and find easily. Buy a new domain from Shopify, or connect a domain you already purchased from a third party, such as Namecheap or GoDaddy. If the domain you want isn't available, Shopify will recommend close matches and display prices for each choice. Determine shipping and delivery. We recommend building shipping costs into your product's price so you can offer free shipping for all domestic orders. A good strategy is to add 10 to 15% to the price of your product. Add a new profile, choose a profile name, and select the products you want to ship. Then create a shipping zone. To set up a shipping zone for the Frame It Easy app, in your Shopify account, go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, General Shipping Rates, Manage Shipping Profile. There is a shipping origin for FIE fulfillment set up by the app. Create a shipping zone for USA only and set a rate with either free shipping or paid shipping. The faster the shipping speed, the more expensive the rate. Click Save to complete this step. Pro tip: while most sellers choose the free shipping rate, Shopify does allow tiered shipping rates using conditions. In some cases, sellers can add an additional rate for more expensive frames. Next, set up Shopify Payments. Complete your account setup in a few steps with Shopify Payments. Shopify Payments eliminates the hassle of setting up third-party payment providers. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide your business information so you can begin getting paid for your first sales. You can also add and connect to PayPal if you have an account. Additionally, you'll be able to choose when to capture your payments, refine your gift card details, and add Apple Pay options. Next, name your store. Your temporary default store name is My Store. But you will want to change it, obviously. The store name appears in your admin and your online store, so choose something catchy and memorable. After clicking Save, you can refine other specific details of your store, like time zone, order IDs, and order processing. Pro tip: for a streamlined, hands-off selling experience, select Automatic Fulfillment. Finally, let's launch your store. Okay, this is the final step of your Shopify setup. Add your homepage title and your website description, and upload an image for social media sharing. After that, pick a Shopify plan to remove the password protection from your storefront and launch your store. Shopify offers 4 plans, each with different perks and features. Once you select a plan, Shopify will automatically remove the password prompt from your storefront, allowing your customers to enter, explore, and shop your art or photography. We have helped over 5,000 artists, photographers, and designers scale their businesses. There are no minimums. Whether it's an order of 1 framed piece or thousands of framed pieces, you can rest assured knowing you're always getting the best price and service. You don't need to invest anything upfront to get started. The Frame It Easy Shopify app is free, and you only pay when your art sells. This flexibility allows you to grow at your own pace without having to stock products or inventory. Offering a more finished product will give you a competitive and professional edge and set you apart from the competition. Happy framing!